Hey there, nail art lovers! Ready to slay this holiday season? In today's video, we're bringing you the most adorable and trendy Christmas nail designs that'll make your nails the star of every holiday party. From classic reds and greens to sparkling snowflakes, Santas, and reindeer, we got you covered with creative, easy-to-try nail ideas that are perfect for every festive occasion. But before we dive, please like this video and subscribe the channel to get more videos. So let's dive in. PrettyDiva Christmas Nail Stickers. PrettyDiva Christmas Nail Stickers feature 10 packs of 3D self-adhesive designs, including snowflakes, Santa, and Christmas trees for festive nail art. The bronzing gold details add a realistic and elegant touch. Easy to use without glue, these versatile decals suit all ages and make a perfect holiday gift. TULOBI Christmas Nail Stickers. TULOBI Christmas press-on nails feature 24 medium coffin nails with festive tree designs, glitter, and green-red stripes. Made from durable, non-toxic ABS acrylic, they're easy to apply with included jelly glue and tools. Perfect for holiday parties or as a thoughtful gift. JMEOWIO Christmas Nail Stickers. JMEOWIO Christmas nail stickers include 10 sheets of glittery, self-adhesive designs like snowflakes and deer, perfect for winter nail art. Easy to apply and remove, they're ideal for DIY creations on natural or acrylic nails. A fun and thoughtful holiday gift. MEOWIO Christmas Nail Stickers. MEOWIO Christmas Glitter Nail Stickers offer 9 sheets of self-adhesive snowflake and winter-themed designs. Perfect for DIY nail art on natural or acrylic nails, they're easy to apply, remove, and customize. A great holiday gift for friends or family. 30 Sheets Christmas Nail Stickers. This set includes 30 sheets of Christmas nail stickers featuring snowflakes, Santa Claus, snowmen, and elk designs. Made from safe, eco-friendly materials, they're perfect for DIY nail art and easy to apply. Great for nails, phone cases, or crafts, ideal for festive fun. And that's a wrap on our Christmas nail art showcase. Which design was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more holiday inspiration. Thanks for watching and happy holidays!